So I don't have to write the login functionality. I can use it if it's already developed and it's open source. So the challenge with that, most software developers do this. They don't write everything. They borrow code from that's open source. They integrate it into their application. The challenge is if somebody hacks into some open source project and then you have that in your software, now your software has a vulnerability. An example of this is like shell shock, which is a bash, the bash open source code. And shell shock affected everybody.
What's bash?
And the bash is a way to log into in a command line into a Linux system. It's called the born again shell, I guess is what it stands for. But it's a way to log in and to interact with a Linux system. So there's a vulnerability with that. And a lot of medical device manufacturers had used that shell into their system, and some of them didn't have it documented. That was part of their code. So now you have a scenario where you've got a product out there that the manufacturer is not even aware that this vulnerability applies to their product.